Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's short tutorial, I am going to show you how to open recently closed Safari tabs in your iPhone. So first thing first, open your Safari and at the right bottom corner, double tap on these three dotted lines and then here you will see the couple of tabs. So let's say I will add another tab of Apple and then I will add another tab of Yahoo. So right now we have four tabs. I will close Apple and YouTube tab and then I will show you how to open these tabs again. So for this, all you need to do is just at the left bottom corner, long press the plus button, and if you go down, you will see the all recently closed tabs here. So this way you can open the recently closed tab again in your Safari browser. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.